Welcome everyone, this is Francisco at IG Tech 365. In today's video, we're going to be going over 10 shortcuts that you can perform on a Windows computer to help boost your productivity. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, the first command is going to be simply copying some text inside of an article, and you can copy text anywhere. To get started, I have going to highlight this little piece right here, and now I want to put it into Word. I simply hit Control-C. Copies the text. I pull up the Word document. Command number 2. I hit Control-V, and now we've just copied that text inside of this Word document. Moving on to shortcut number 3. Say you want to highlight the entire text in a document. Instead of clicking and dragging the entire text, we simply click on Control-A, and now the entire text is highlighted. And if you wanted to paste that somewhere, you would do shortcut number 2, which is Control-V. Alright, moving on to shortcut number 4. Say that you're inside an article or a document and you want to search the document without having to scroll the whole thing and read. You simply hit Control-F and you type in anything that you're looking for. So say I want to see some information on malware. I type it in and it will show me that it is used 11 instances, and I can scroll down to see exactly where that is instead of having to scroll throughout the entire document. Okay, moving on to shortcut number 5. We've been using Word, we've been using Chrome in this video. So say I want to switch between the two without having to minimize. You simply hit Alt-Tab and you kind of scroll and you can pick which one you want. I want to go back to Chrome. Okay, now I want to go back to Word, Alt-Tab, and I use the arrow key. I can do it that way. Moving on to shortcut number 6. Say you were on your browser and you decide that you want to go into your desktop. You simply hit the Windows key D, and it takes you to your desktop. You want to switch back, again, Windows D, and it will take you right back there. Now it's time for shortcut number 7. Say you've been working through multiple documents and different programs, and you decide that you need to bring up your File Explorer. You simply hit the Windows key, Windows E, and it will bring up your File Explorer and you can access all of your documents. Time for shortcut number 8. Sometimes when you're working, you have multiple windows open and you realize that you no longer need them. Instead of having to hover over them and close out, what you can simply do is hit Control-W and it will delete one of the windows. So it's just a simple, easy process to move on and decrease your windows. Okay, we can't talk about closing windows without talking about how to open a new window. Instead of having to do it manually, with a nice little shortcut, you can simply hit Control-N. It's going to open a new window. Okay, we've now arrived at our last shortcut in this video. Say you're working on one window, you're searching something on Google, you find an article, and now you want to take some information and you want to type it into Word, but you don't want to transition back and forth between the two. So what you can simply do here is hit the Windows key and either the left or the right arrow. So we have Windows left or Windows right. Now we can select what we want in the other window. In this case, I'm going to go look at Word. And you can customize the width. You can drag it as far as you want depending on your preference. Thank you for watching this video. If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe, as well as leave some comments below if you have any recommendations for some future videos. Thank you and have a great day.